Hello everyone. So today I'm going to share a video on how I managed to get my Helium to work using my old phone and transfer it to my new phone using Samsung Switch. So this video is going to consist of two parts. First part, I'm going to explain my issue in greater detail to let you see if you actually have the same issue. And the second part, I'm going to explain how I use Samsung Switch to transfer the old working apps over to my new phone. So I'm going to go through my camera first. So I'm going to just share with you. So what I need is actually this two devices. So the old Note 8 that used to have this app that's still working. And if you see from the reflection, this is the currently the Note 20, which have the Android version started off with Android version 10 and got updated to Android version 11, and that's where the old app failed to restore. So I'm going to go back to explain my issue now. So previously on Note 8, this actually worked. So if you go to this setting and go to this about phone, I'm going to go to my camera to let you see. So last time this used to be at Android version 9 and Helium works perfectly. So if I were to go to my current Samsung phone, which is a Note 20, and if I go to about phone, I go to software information, notice that this is Android 11 now. So on Android 11 is where all the issues on the Helium start to have more problems, where I cannot restore easily. So I remember that on Android 10 it used to work, and on Android 11, when it got transferred over from 10 to 11, the apps still works, but upon uninstalling, it cannot reinstall back already. So I'm going to just go to this Helium app. So if I were to go to internal storage, this is the backup where I always used to do. So when I try to restore, it will say this: an error occur while performing your app restore. So I can't even do an app restore now on Android 11. So if I were to go to the old Play Store and try to install the app that I tried to restore, so notice that okay, there's no it doesn't state this error. I'm going to just uninstall it quickly to let you see what is the issues that most people have been seeing online. So it actually state that app is too old to be used on the current version or something. So many people actually have this issue as well, and the app can fail to run at all. So let's see this bottom, there's this app was built for an older version of Android and may not work properly, and some people even have an issue of even getting it to load. It just fails to load at all. So for me, I'm getting stuck at this. So I'm just going to go to this Samsung Switch. So before I proceed, I'm just going to state that this first. Remember to uninstall all this old software before starting this step, because what I'm trying to do next, right, is to transfer the app that's working on this phone over to the Samsung Note 20, the newer phone that's in this reflection. So I'm going to make sure that I actually have no residual app that is on this newer phone. So what I do is I'm going to need this old phone and also a new cable. So this is the cable that comes along with the Note 20. It's a USB-C to USB-C. So what I do is I'm going to just connect this first. So at the other end to my Note 20. So what I do is I'm going to go to Smart Switch. I'm going to set this to send data. So on the current phone, which is the Note 20, I'm going to press receive data. So it will proceed on to connecting the device. So what I will do is this will actually take about 15 seconds for it to scan for all the data that's to be transferred. So what I do is I won't want any of these details. I'm going to go to the top left hand corner and unselect everything by pressing twice. Then on this fourth option where you see these apps, I'm going to go into the app Also go back to the top left hand corner to unselect all the apps, and I'm going to go to the app that I want to transfer. So notice that i5 is the app that I want to transfer. After I press done. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click on transfer. So okay, so now this is transferred. I'm going to go back to the okay, I'm going to disconnect my USB, and now I'm going to go back to this search. So you see i5 is now back. So I'm going to just select everything and click continue. Although it says this app was built for an older version of Android and may not work properly now, at least it goes in. So I will be able to use this app from now on. So hopefully this idea will let you have a glimpse of hope to restore some older apps from your older phone and still get it to work on your newer phone. So somehow this will override the Android 11 such that it will still allow some phones so older apps to work. So hope this helps someone, and yeah, thank you.